That's some fucking cranking Hiccups. I'm pretty happy with it.
It's not going away, I tell you.
Do you want some sugar or something?
It's not going to help.
Maybe Trent can put his nuts in your face.
I wish that would help. It'd probably help you on the losing fidelity because I'd swallow your balls.
Why would you swallow it?
Like, I'd go, and then just, there's nothing left.
Anton, I'm thinking you got him tonight.
I like a man who finishes the job.
Oh wow, because we don't have enough months of fucking football to start with. It's fucking awesome.
No.
Points down at the break and down a man after Thornton fell heavily.
Hopefully you break your shoulder.
Was Sharon over soon after.
Ironically, keeping the guys where he's on number.
From the captain, rain right up her
Wow.
tally.
Should I?
Go Eagles!
The Blues were in trouble. The Bets would get them out of it. They needed the next. Walker, delivery. While Thornton would head to hospital for scans, his teammates were mounting their fight back. But the Eagles would hit straight back for a 9-point three-quarter time lead. A long way out, a long ball.
Kennedy.
West Coast would kick the first of the final term. The Blues-Irish 10-gamer answer in style. Hasn't the Irishman learnt this game? He could go all the way. What an effort that is! 19-year-old Eagles rookie Jack Darling was having a night out up forward. Up the back, Shannon Hearn would get run down. Turnover costly. Advantage paid. Murphy wins his way through. Kicks towards goal.
I think she's trying to scare him. He's been hiccuping for like half an hour.
It's not going to stop when I started it.
McGinnity couldn't believe his luck. West Coast had surged again. Their goal sneaks bobbing up everywhere. Just when the Eagles started thinking of next week, a late scare. The bounce fickle, Gallum goes, Blues still coming. And then another.
This is me up worse than anyone.
He's kicked the goal. It could be enough for the Swans. The Blues were storming home. The locals couldn't look. For them, the siren couldn't come soon enough.
Can you guys I can't drink while I'm
Was
laughing?
this a free kick? In the end, heartbreak.
That's fuck. I know.
Drink through it, keep drinking.
A pulsating finish. Less than a kick separating the two sides of the
Good.
end. The victor.
The thing I can't drink at all.
The G.
You can really
Big ones.